What's going on, guys? Have you ever thought about placing those yellow bandit signs out to get some attention for property or to start attracting some motivated sellers? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design, find locations for, and place your bandit signs, guys, step by step. So make sure that y'all stay tuned into the end of this video. We're going to be placing some of these bandit signs right in Las Vegas today, guys. So make sure that y'all stay tuned into the end. But let's go ahead. Let's get into it.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, guys, so first things first, you're gonna need to get yourself some bandit signs. So we got ours from Amazon. We got the 18 by 24 yellow corrugated plastic signs, right? And then we designed these signs ourselves. Real quick, shout out to my wife for designing our signs, but if you don't feel that creative, you can definitely head over to this site right here, dirtcheapsigns.com, to get yourself some custom bandit signs created for you and shipped directly over to your house. If you want to get creative, you can get like 50 signs and you can put, different words on different signs. I'm going to have all the links to everything down below, but then you want to go ahead, once you actually get your signs, you're going to want to go ahead and design those signs, make them nice and creative. I'm gonna put in some additional video of us actually designing the signs and getting out here and kind of preparing them. So if you're gonna put them around, let's say like fences, then you're gonna want to have some zip ties. If you're gonna want to put them around, if you're going to want to nail them into like wood or whatever, you're going to want to get like a staple gun, for instance. All right, so it's little tools that you're going to need. I'm going to make sure I have everything linked down below. I almost forgot to mention, we also purchased these king size jumbo Sharpie markers. You may find these in like stores even sometimes, but we also got the big boy Magnum Sharpie markers right here. You can really only find these on places like Amazon and stuff, as far as I've seen, unless you're going to like some type of specialty type shop. But you want to give your bandit signs a little bit of flavor, right? So we got the We Buy Ugly houses, ugly distress houses. Give us a call now, right? We're gonna throw the phone number right here on the bottom of there. But like, you want it to stand out, like the number will probably be red on there. So like, you want to give it like a mixture of colors. Yellow stands out in the human eye very well, red also does as well. So we want to have colors that are gonna pop. All right, let me show you all some of the tools that we're gonna be going out with. We've got our bandit signs right here. As you see, some of them already have the holes inside of them. We're also gonna be taking out our 14-inch cable ties. I highly actually recommend that you all have 36 or 48-inch cable ties if you want to be able to wrap them around trees and bigger items. These are more so just for fences. Then we just recently went out and purchased this little staple gun right here, so we can just staple these in to some wood. It's usually extremely windy out here in Las Vegas, so we just want to make sure that if we do place them, that they're actually going to stay, versus having those H stakes that I used to use out in Chicago, where it wasn't as windy, despite it being called the Windy City. And then we do have a knife just in case we need to poke some more holes in some of these additional bandit signs that don't have holes. So yeah, guys, we're about to get rocking and rolling down below. Now, once you've got all of your material, then it's going to be time to get out there and take some action, right? So you need locations for these bandit signs, right? You're going to want to make sure that you have some decent locations that are actually going to get some views pretty much. You want to have locations where maybe near train tracks, maybe near stop signs, as well as like busy lights, any place that a lot of cars are going to drive past on a daily basis. That's where you really want to be placing those signs. Okay, now I'm going to show you all a couple clips of me going out and actually placing some bandit signs. Now, I did some things right and some things wrong. I want you all to comment down below what you think I did wrong, and then we're going to come back and talk about it.
More.
All right, so let's break down these videos. First things first, make sure that you actually turn on the staple gun. I was in a bit of a rush because we had seen a bunch of cops this night. So also, when you start stapling your sign into the wood, make sure that you press down really, really hard into the Bandit sign. Look, I was trying to get up out of there. Look, I walked off like, let's go. We out of here. So this day we were out in the it was in the AM, obviously. So, I'm out. My car was actually blocking me off right here where I am, in like this little subdivision. And, when you have those zip ties, definitely make sure that you get the longest ones that you can get, like the 36 to 48. I actually broke off one of the zip ties in that scenario right there. And then once again, I'm like, look, we out of here. And then I take off like a bandit. Don't feel comfortable putting up the signs yourself. You can definitely get other people to put up these signs for you. I'm going to show you later on in this video exactly how to do that. So, you can feel comfortable, feel protected, and make sure that the signs are getting placed where you want them to be placed. But you're not taking that risk going out there or feeling like a bandit while you're actually out there putting up those signs. All right, guys, so now we're here on Craigslist, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to create a little Craigslist post, and I've got the words right here as well. I'm going to have this available for download for free right up underneath this video, so you all can just copy and paste the words into your post. So when you get to Craigslist, you're just going to click create a posting, and we're going to post this in the labor gigs section. Real fast. I want to hire someone. We're going to say labor gigs. And then the posting title, you can just take it from right here, or you can create your own little creative, catchy headline.
One eternity later.
Copy that. Paste that right on in there. And like I said, this is going to be available for download right below this video. You can check that out once this video is over. And then I'm only going to leave my email address on here. I'm not going to put a phone number because we'll likely be getting a lot of people reaching out. I'm actually going to post this post so I can have someone post the remaining Bandit signs that we have right now. Also, I almost forgot this little section right here. You do have to select the pay or no pay option. And then when you click pay, then you're going to have to describe the compensation. You could just say earn $100+ per day. Boom. Now you'll go to this next section over here where you simply just place your map. And then you can add some images right here. I'm just going to add an image or two real quickly. Done with images. They're going to charge me $5 for this post. It may be $7 in your area. It may cost less. It may cost more. But you get a little preview of your post right here. Bang, easy peasy. And then I'm going to receive an email right now that's going to have the payment link to where I can finish my purchase. All right, so now we have our Craigslist post posted, and we can go over to our account homepage to actually see this post right here and actually display it online. Bang. So we have our post active. We'll be getting people reaching out to us. And literally right now, as I'm editing this video, recording this clip, I'm literally already getting people replying back for this job. They're like, look, I've got experience in placing signs and banners, da-da-da-da-da.
Let's go.
Already. So we're rocking and rolling out here. All right, guys, so that's about it, man. Now y'all know from point A to point Z how to get out here and start placing your Bandit signs so you can get some results as well. All right, so in this video I showed you all not only how to design them, how to pick out your locations, and then also how to place them, guys. Like, everything wasn't perfect, but I hope that this video gives you a lot more clarity. I noticed that I've never seen anyone actually make a video showing you them putting out their Bandit sign. So I hope that this video helps. Share this video with other people that you think need to see this one. Share it inside of some of those Facebook groups and on Instagram, all of that good stuff, guys. And also hit the like button, man. Look, it took me days to put this video together. A lot of editing, hours and hours of editing and recording, man. So hit the like button for me. And also 70% of you all have not yet subscribed to the channel, so make sure that y'all go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I post all types of wholesaling, how-tos, tips, strategies, all that good stuff at least once a week, guys. And also, Lastly, you know, if y'all want some more in-depth strategies just like this, check out my Wholesaler University course. It's going to be linked down below, as well as all of the rest of the links that you're going to need to actually get out here and start placing these bandit signs and start getting some results, guys. So hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. And until next time, guys.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. You heard what she said.